Hi friends, welcome to Bright Learners. Today we're going to learn 100 English sentences for household chores. Are you ready? Let's get started. I am airing out the room. I am airing out the room. I am arranging flowers. I am arranging flowers. I am baking cookies. I am baking cookies. I am blending a smoothie. I am blending a smoothie. I am changing the bed sheets. I am changing the bed sheets. I am changing the light bulbs. I am changing the light bulbs. I am changing the pillowcase. I am changing the pillowcase. I am changing the trash bag. I am changing the trash bag. I am checking the mail. I am checking the mail. I am chopping vegetables. I am chopping vegetables. I am chopping wood. I am chopping wood. I am cleaning the bathroom. I am cleaning the bathroom. I am cleaning the cat's litter box. I am cleaning the cat's litter box. I am cleaning the fish tank. I am cleaning the fish tank. I am cleaning the grill. I am cleaning the grill. I am cleaning the oven. I am cleaning the oven. I am cleaning the pool. I am cleaning the pool. I am cleaning the refrigerator shelves. I am cleaning the refrigerator shelves. I am cleaning the shoes. I am cleaning the shoes. I am cleaning the windows. I am cleaning the windows. I am cleaning up dog poop. I am cleaning up dog poop. I am clearing the table. I am clearing the table. I am closing the windows. I am closing the windows. I am collecting eggs. I am collecting eggs. I am cooking breakfast. I am cooking breakfast. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. I am decluttering the closet. I am decluttering the closet. I am decorating the house. I am decorating the house. I am disinfecting the countertops. I am disinfecting the countertops. I am doing the laundry. I am doing the laundry. I am drying the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am dusting the blinds. I am dusting the blinds. I am dusting the furniture. I am dusting the furniture. I am dusting the shelves. I am dusting the shelves. I am feeding the cat. I am feeding the cat. I am feeding the dog. I am feeding the dog. I am fixing the leaky faucet. I am fixing the leaky faucet. I am fixing the sink. I am fixing the sink. I am folding the laundry. I am folding the laundry. I am going grocery shopping. I am going grocery shopping. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. I am grilling dinner. I am grilling dinner. I am grinding coffee beans. I am grinding coffee beans. I am hanging up the laundry. I am hanging up the laundry. I am ironing the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. I am knitting. I am knitting. I am laying out clothes for tomorrow. I am laying out clothes for tomorrow. I am loading the dishwasher. I am loading the dishwasher. I am making a fruit salad. I am making a fruit salad. I am making a shopping list. I am making a shopping list. I am making coffee. I am making coffee. I am making tea. I am making tea. I am making the bed. I am making the bed. I am mopping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am mowing the lawn. I am mowing the lawn. I am organizing the bookshelf. I am organizing the bookshelf. I am organizing the garage. I am organizing the garage. I am packing a lunchbox. I am packing a lunchbox. I am packing a suitcase. I am packing a suitcase. I am packing leftovers. I am packing leftovers. I am painting the fence white. I am painting the fence white. I am painting the wall green. I am painting the wall green. I am paying the bills. I am paying the bills. I am peeling potatoes. I am peeling potatoes. I am picking up toys. I am picking up toys. I am planting flowers in the garden. I am planting flowers in the garden. I am playing with the baby. I am playing with the baby. I am plowing snow. I am plowing snow. I am pouring juice into the glass. I am pouring juice into the glass. I am pouring milk into the glass. I am pouring milk into the glass. I am pruning the bushes. I am pruning the bushes. I am putting away the groceries. I am putting away the groceries. I am raking leaves. I am raking leaves. I am refilling the water bottle. I am refilling the water bottle. I am removing the cobwebs. I am removing the cobwebs. I am repairing the broken chair. I am repairing the broken chair. I am restocking the fridge. I am restocking the fridge. I am scrubbing the bathtub. I am scrubbing the bathtub. I am setting up the dining table. I am setting up the dining table. I am sewing a button. I am sewing a button. I am shoveling snow. I am shoveling snow. I am shredding old documents. I am shredding old documents. I am sorting the laundry. I am sorting the laundry. I am sorting the recycling. I am sorting the recycling. I am squeezing orange juice. I am squeezing orange juice. I am sweeping the driveway. I am sweeping the driveway. I am sweeping the floor. I am sweeping the floor. I am sweeping the porch. I am sweeping the porch. I am taking out the trash. I am taking out the trash. I am tidying up the room. I am tidying up the room. I am trimming the hedges. I am trimming the hedges. I am using the sewing machine. I am using the sewing machine. I am vacuuming the floor. I am vacuuming the floor. I am walking the dog. I am walking the dog. I am washing the car. I am washing the car. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the fruit. I am washing the fruit. I am washing vegetables. I am washing vegetables. I am watering the flowers. I am watering the flowers. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am weeding the garden. I am weeding the garden. I am wiping the mirrors. I am wiping the mirrors. I am wiping the stovetop. I am wiping the stovetop. I am wiping the table. I am wiping the table. I am wrapping a gift. I am wrapping a gift. That's all for today. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye for now.